So we are using this puncture protection formula. It's kind of a gel which will be installed in the inner wall of the tire. They had to remove the rear sprocket in order to install the tire. Now the rear sprocket will be installed on the wheel, and then finally the tire will be mounted on the motorcycle. Tire looks so dope. This is how it looks from the rear. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Since I have this motorcycle since last 1 week, it's time to. The rear tire is not changed since the time this motorcycle was bought. The grip is there, but there are a lot of cracks on this rear tire. This needs to be replaced. Currently the stock tire is running on Pirelli Gran Turismo, and I'm going to change this tire. The size will be same, but which brand am I going for, you'll get to see in this video. You'll get to see the replacement cost as well and the charge of the tire. So I'll have to travel for around 20 to 30 kilometers today, so you don't want to miss any part of this video. So let's get started with the video. Able to see the TFT dash. It's very small because it's bright sunlight. Let's crank it up. It does not need a cold start because in the morning today I was riding this bike. And I am going to Ramkoti, which is a bike market here in Hyderabad, to replace the rear tire. It's around, I think, 25 kilometers from here, if I'm not wrong. It'll take easily 45 to 50 minutes for me to reach there. I love the way this bike sounds. Super awesome. Because it's summertime, I'm sure the engine will become too hot in traffic. Let's go. This bike really comes alive after 6,500 RPM. It accelerates, but more than the acceleration, the sound is crazy. It makes you feel that it is accelerating way more faster than it actually is. I need to be careful because the rear tire is not in a very good condition. This is the advantage of staying in the outskirts. I get to stretch my motorcycles every time I take it out on the highway. I'm about to reach Ramkoti, and this is a very big bike market in Hyderabad. You will get everything with regards to motorcycle spare parts, and it is a big market for pre-owned two-wheelers as well. On both the sides there are these shops who sell the customized spare parts, even genuine spare parts, and you will get aftermarket parts over here. All types of customizations are done here. So whenever you want to do anything in your motorcycle, you have to come to Ramkoti. So I am here at Laxmi Auto Sales again. कैसे भैया? टायर है ready? This is the tire I'm taking, and you can see 160/60 ZR17, and this is a Eurogrip Roadhound Extreme tire from the same shop. So now I'll have to take this tire to the fitting shop, and if you want to purchase Eurogrip tire, you know where to come. Laxmi Auto Sales, phone number is here, and I'll put the location also in the description section below. Let's go ahead and install this Eurogrip tire on my motorcycle. So there is a tire fitting shop over here, and we'll get the tire installed at this place. The wheel is unmounted from the bike, and now they are going to remove the tire from the ring using this machine, and then the new tire will be installed over here. It's always better to install the tire, uninstall and install the tire on the rim using the machine fitting, because when you use the manual fitting, there are chances that the rim might get damaged or bent. So we are using this puncture protection formula. It's kind of a gel which will be installed inside in the inner wall of the tire. So he will install it and you will get to see how it works. डाल दो भैया. ये कितने का आता है भैया? The MRP of this puncture protection formula is 329. This is something first time I'm trying. So how this works is, once you apply it in the inner wall of the motorcycle, if there is a puncture, it will automatically go inside that hole and heal it so that the air won't release. So they rotated the tire so that the liquid got spread inside. They are still doing it now. Both of the liquids are inside now, and it's time to install this tire onto the rim. The rear tire is getting installed. It's so easy to install the tire on this machine. They had to remove the rear sprocket in order to install the tire. Now the rear sprocket will be installed on the wheel, and then finally the tire will be mounted on the motorcycle. I must say they have done a fantastic job, and we'll have to test how this tire puncture solution works. If it works great, nothing like it. I have heard about it. I haven't tried it personally yet. The first time I'll be using it. This wall came with the tire. It's a very different kind of a cap. So what you can do is, after removing it, has a cut inside. You can reverse it and open the wall inside. So this is very much costly. It costs around 50 or 100 rupees. So you can see it looks like this. Now he will tighten it and show it to you. So it goes inside and it tightens the wall. And if you want to loosen it, even that can be done with that. It costs somewhere around 50 or 100 rupees, but you won't find it very easily in the market. But we got it at this tire shop. You can see the main axle is installed. It's just that they need to tighten it now. Tire is fitted and it's time to take it out for a spin. I have not done the payment yet. I'll tell you how much the total cost was involved in order to replace the new tire on the 502C. Let's take it out for a small spin. I'm just checking whether the alignment and the chain setting, everything is correct or not. Since it's a new tire, I'll have to be careful. I should not be pushing it for at least 50 kilometers. By the time I reach home today, the tire will break in. But it is recommended not to push the motorcycle up till 100 kilometers. Because initially when the tire is new, it has a polish on the outer surface which might slip the motorcycle under hard acceleration. Once that polish is removed, then the grip levels come into action for any new tire. And why I went for Eurogrip Roadhound Extreme, because these tires are made by TVS and they are hell lot grippy when compared to the other brands, which for the same tire it will cost you more than 20,000. So if you want to invest in a good tire and you're on a budget, you don't want to compromise on the grip levels, go with the Eurogrip Roadhound Extreme. It's amazing. I have been using this tire on my RS457 since last 1 year, and this tire has done wonders. I've done 200 kilometers an hour and the bike gives so much confidence. Now coming to the price of the tire, the cost of the tire is 13,500 for the 160 section tire, and I got a good discount. Even you can come to this shop and then you can see, because every time the prices keeps changing. So once you come here, you'll have to inquire at the shop to see what the new price is. Tire looks so dope. This is how it looks from the rear. Suppose if this particular part was not there, then the tire would have looked very much exposed. Anyhow, we cannot get rid of the license plate and the rear indicators which is placed on this fender. So he's the technician who helped me replace my tire, and he has also subscribed to my YouTube channel. Okay, so it's time to leave from here, and it's time to close this video. I hope you found it helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up, and also post your thoughts in the comment section below. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. More awesome contents coming your way. With that, I will sign off from this video, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.